Okay. Alright, this is the new Game Boy. It's my brother's sister for some reason. He forced me. He totally did not force me with it. He not help me at gunpoint to review this. He totally did not. Alright, let's review this. Game Boy. Try the boring stuff first. It's not even open, but no. Okay, Game Boy. There's the Game Boy. Awesome. Got my blacks. I'm gonna get my black stuff one later. Got a battery in it here. And a box screen. Okay, it's for my mom. Alright, then I'm gonna play a game with I'm gonna try to do it backwards. Alright. Okay. Try Super Mario. Alright, we're gonna play this. Dang it! Alright. Again. Dang it. Ah! This game is fun. Alright, let's try backwards. Let's try to do a challenge. Okay, I actually don't know. Ah! Lost. And this review, so bye guys.